Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to change the selected language in the HP OfficeJet 7500A. Now this is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself using nothing but the touchscreen control panel you can see here. Now although my printer is currently in English, I'm going to make it very clear all of the button presses I'm doing so you can follow along regardless of what language your printer is in or what language you want to change it to. So first of all we need to be on the home page of the printer, which will look something like this. If you're not already here, the home icon will be lit up there. Just press that to be taken here. Then we go along one using the arrow to the right of the touchscreen. And then we need to go into setup, which is the option in the top left hand side represented by a cog and a spanner. Once we're in there, we need to go down one page using the on-screen down arrow. And from here, we need to go into preferences, which is the middle option, second one down. Once we're in preferences, you can see again, second option down in the middle, we have language. Let's press to go into that. Now, if you're looking for English, it's the very top option. But if you want to change it to any other language, use the up and down arrows until you're where you want to be. Select your language. Confirm, and you're done. Now, I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, let us know down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.